dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, you guys, and today I'm here to do another crochet video. I'm so excited, y'all. I have not worn crochets in so long, so this is long overdue, but it is time to rejoin my protective styling and do another video for you guys. So before I get started, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit subscribe now, because I have so many styles that I have already done and so many styles coming, so you don't want to miss this. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, go ahead and add me on Instagram, girl. We gotta be friends, we gotta get to know each other, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta help me be on and popping, you know? So make sure you go ahead and add me on Instagram. I will leave all of the information down below, as well as somewhere up in here somewhere, and let's get this video started. Okay, you guys, so if you have been following me for a while, then you know that I have done so many different crochets. Speaking of which, I have one that I just put up. Make sure you guys check it out. You can get crochets in minutes, okay? It's a really good concept, really great idea. Removable crochet bun, okay? So make sure you guys check that out. I will link that down below. So today I am going to do my regular traditional crochet braids. Anybody who's interested, if you guys are interested in a little bit more in-depth tutorials, let me know, you guys, because I really want to provide you guys with more information, but of course YouTube only gives me a certain amount of time to do so. So if you are interested in in-depth tutorials, then everybody just let me know down below, and I will be happy to do that for you guys. So just let me know, and that will be no problem. By the title, you guys can tell that I am using Jamaican bounce hair. So I have gotten so many requests to do this hair, and I love this hair, so I decided to go ahead and try it out for myself. So here is my braiding pattern. So this is the traditional braiding pattern. I have tried to play around with my braid pattern, but this is kind of the braiding pattern that I'm going with. I did 3 braids over here, Y braid, Y braid, Y braid, and then 3 braids. So it's just braided straight back. I connected them. I will camouflage my braids as I do my crochets. So normally, sometimes I like to tack it with thread, but sometimes I don't. Sometimes I go the lazy route and just tack it with the crochets, or if I can't find my thread, which is what is the case now, I can't find my thread, you guys. So I'm just gonna have to go back to my old methods. So I'm gonna show you guys the back. So here is the side, here's the back, here's the other side, and back to the front. So as you guys can see, I kind of leave slicked hair in the front. That's just something that is a personal preference for myself. You don't have to do it. Of course, you can start your braid at the very beginning if you want to. You can do whatever type of braid pattern, honestly, but this is just how I do mine. So if you're trying to get the look that I do, then I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. My choice of hair is Jamaican Bounce 26" by Sensational, and I always get the color 1 most of the time, so that's the color that I did choose. You want to take out your hair. Beautiful, beautiful curls. It doesn't look like much hair though, so of course we are gonna have to split this because it is not a lot of hair. I have used this hair before in my latest video, so you guys make sure y'all check that out, okay? Are you subscribed yet, girl? If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on? So one of these little bundles looks like this, so I'm just going to take this and I'm going to separate this. So this is all one curl. So because it is such a small amount of hair, I'm going to split these in 2. Okay, so when you do this, it's frizzy. So all you have to do is take your hand and kind of run it over. You may have to twirl it a little bit so you can see this side versus this side. So of course it does work. Like running your hand over it does really work with the frizz. So it definitely helps it. So you're going to take your crochet needle. I'm going to lay this. And so since I'm trying to get this connected, I'm going to add my crochet. And I'm going to do the traditional crochet knot, which is grabbing both. And there we are. So that's holding that braid. Hope you guys can see that. And so I'm just going to take this other one. I'm just going to take this other one and do the same thing for the other braid. And there we are. Okay, you guys, so I am going to go ahead and apply my first pack, and I will be back to show you guys. So I'm just going to separate this one curl into two and insert them, and I will be back to show you how far one pack takes me. Okay, you guys, so I have finished installing my first pack, and girl, this hair is really full. So I'm about to start splitting this hair because I am only on the first pack, you guys, and it is getting kind of full. So let me show you. This is only one pack. Y'all see that? Like, that is kind of full, y'all. For one pack, that is really full, which is really good. But that is really full. So I'm about to start separating my second pack because it is getting kind of full. And I'm not putting these like extremely close, you guys. I'm literally just kind of filling in the space. So I'm not doing them like one. It's literally like one here, one here, one here. Like, it's not close because the hair is so thick. So for the next pack, I will be separating these probably into 3 pieces. Yeah, 3 pieces. So this, I may be able to finish most of my hair with this second pack. So I'm going to show you guys if I get to the Y braids, then I'll come back and show you guys before I finish the second pack. But if I don't, then I'll just show you when I finish the second pack. So I will be right back. All right, you guys, so I have just finished putting in my second pack of hair, and you guys, this hair is so freaking thick. Like, some of the pieces I actually separated more than 3 times. You just kind of have to use your own personal judgment. If you think it's getting too full, then you kind of have to make that decision for you. But I didn't separate more than, I'll say, about 7 or 8 pieces more than 3 times. So for the most part, I only separated 3 times. I only separated the pieces 3 times. But the problem that you will run into with separating your hair 3 times is you will get pieces like this that will become frizzy, and you just don't want to put that in your hair. Because I mean, some of these pieces are frizzy, but you don't want something that's super frizzy and it just looks like you just put old hair in your hair. So this is what it looks like so far with 2 packs. So as you guys can see, it is getting really full, but I am down to just a little space on these braids. And then I have a little bit more space up here before I get to my Y parts. So I think the next pack is going to do it. So that's definitely great. A 3-pack deal. And how much did I pay for this, you guys? I don't think I told you. I paid $8 for this hair, so $8 per pack. And I actually ordered mine online. I will link all of the information down below, but you may be able to find it in your local beauty supply, because I did go buy an extra pack from the beauty supply store, but I will link it down below just in case you guys don't want to go look for it or your beauty supply does not have it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my crochets, my normal crochets, just so I can show you guys my invisible knot crochets once I get to those, just so you can know the difference. So I am only knotting my crochets once, you guys. Like, there's no need to do double knots, triple knots, none of that, because the hair texture is pretty kinky. It's not silky and soft, so it's not gonna slip, so I don't have to worry about it going anywhere. So once is fine. So for these, I am just putting it through, latching it on, putting both strands through, and pull, and that is all. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish this side and finish the top, and I will be back to show you how I do my Y braids. Alright, you guys, I have finished my braids all the way up to my Y part. So now it is time to show you guys the knotless crochet method. So this is the method that allows your part to look seamless, and so you can't see those big old knots. But really, honestly, with this hair, I mean, you can't see just a huge knot, but you can see you can see that that's not it. Like, so I'm going to show you guys the difference. So with the Y braids, I am going much smaller, you guys. Like, I can't even tell you what I'm breaking it into. I just know I'm going small, so y'all can see. So knotless. So you want to take it through like normal, but instead of pulling both through, you're only going to pull one through. Pull this through. You're going to twist this, pull this through, and there you are. So that will form a knot underneath, and I'm just going to make sure that's underneath my braid. You can kind of see the knot right here. So I'm going to put it under my braid and fold it over. So I'm going to show you guys again, because I know that wasn't very clear. So you want to go under again. So I'm just going to get one, pull it through. I'm going to twist this one, pull it through. That forms the knot on the side where you can see it right there. And I'm going to pull it underneath the braid, flip it over. Y'all see that? Knotless. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up, and I will be back to show you guys so we can get to styling, because we are not leaving it like this, ladies. No. So I will be right back. All right, ladies, so I have just finished my install. Y'all, like, this is a lot of hair, okay? Now I have watched reviews and people have been like, oh, there's 3 packs of hair, and that's what made me get 3 packs of hair. But y'all, this look like more than 3 packs of hair. Like, just being honest, I don't know if I trust all y'all YouTubers now, because this looked like more than 3 packs, and it's literally like 3 packs and a couple pieces out the 4th. I'd say like maybe 3 or 4 pieces. But y'all, this look like 5 packs of hair. Like, some ain't adding up, some ain't adding up. But I am not going to leave it like this. Now, if you like gigantic hair, then you may want to leave it like this. But me, no ma'am. No ma'am. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like installed. So very full. Y'all can see very, very full. Very full. So freaking full, y'all. I'm going to take my spray bottle that has a little bit of conditioner water, and I'm going to spray this down. This normally helps minimize my frizz in my synthetic hair and my human hair, honestly. This is something I like to do for my synthetic hair. It's so great for me. So now it is time to cut. So I'm literally just going in here and cutting it to the fullness that I desire. So I'm going to make sure that it stays layered, as well as add a few layers too. So far I really like this hair. It is so pretty. It's such a pretty curl. So I am happy that I went with this hair. I am going to try my best to keep this up, you guys, because you know I'm really bad about changing my hair, but I will try to give you guys an update. So I am trying to keep this hairstyle. I'm going to try my best. So make sure you guys subscribe and follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with all of the updates. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Make sure you check out a couple of my other videos. I have many crochet styles, many options to choose from, as well as if you're trying to change your look a little bit, maybe with some color contacts. I have some really great options for color contacts along with a discount, so I will leave all of that information down below. Again, this is the Sensational Jamaican Bounce 26-inch hair, and I paid $7.99. I purchased 4 packs. I used about 3 packs and like a piece of the 4th. But in my opinion, you guys, you do not need 3 packs. I don't think that you need 3 packs. I think that you can make 2 packs stretch. Like, I don't know why nobody said that, or at least nobody I came across on YouTube told me that. But honestly, this hair is like really thick. It was way too thick for 3 packs. It seemed like 5 packs. So I really think you can make 2 packs work. Like, if I ever try this style again, it will be 2 packs. Like, yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you guys are interested in some extensive tutorials, let me know. Please leave a comment down below. If I have enough people that really want to see it, then I'm definitely willing to give you a little bit more in my tutorials. So let me know what you guys think down below, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. See you guys later.